Hi, I'm Bo with Windsor Karcher Group, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo. If you're in the hospitality environment, you know the one thing that you never have is time. Rooms need turned quickly, functions happen and the next function comes in. The Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo is the perfect machine for maintaining your carpeted areas. It gives you the ability to do both encapsulation and extraction. And encapsulation allows you to clean over 14,000 square feet an hour and have that area dry and turned in 20 minutes. Additionally, it gives you the ability to extract areas coming out of kitchens and other places where you have heavy soil loads. So, the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo helps you look good for your guests and helps you meet the needs of maintaining a carpet in a busy environment. The Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo is a complete carpet program in one machine. It combines the functions of encapsulation cleaning for interim maintenance with extraction cleaning for restorative maintenance. It has a 25-gallon solution tank, 28-gallon recovery tank, and dual counter-rotating brushes that spin at over 1,000 RPMs. This gives you thorough agitation of cleaning chemicals. It also has the ability to do off-aisle cleaning. Let's start our overview of the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo at the control panel. On the right side of the control panel, you'll find a battery meter, as well as the water on-off switch. The water on-off switch can be turned on and off as you enter and exit turns. That way, you don't leave too much water in a turn. On the left side of the control panel, you'll find the horn, the emergency stop switch, the forward and reverse button, the key ignition, and the battery meter. At the front of the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, you'll find the recovery and solution tanks. The 28-gallon recovery tank is easily accessible for cleaning and maintaining. The strainer should be cleaned after each use. This will catch debris as it comes into the recovery tank. Another maintenance item is your float shutoff. You'll want to make sure that this is cleaned after each use so that the machine shuts off at the proper time. The 25-gallon solution tank is located right here. The dump for the solution tank is located here, and the dump for the recovery tank is located here. Make sure to clean and dump your machine and dump both the solution and the recovery when you're done. Let's take a look at the undercarriage of the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo. We'll look at the brush removal, the manifold, and the vacuum shoes. The Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo has two counter-rotating brushes. The brushes are easy to remove and maintain by simply lifting this tab and sliding the brushes out. When you replace the brushes, it's important to remember that they are keyed on one end. That key needs to lock into a drive on the opposite side of the brush housing. Make sure that the line on the bearing cap is running on a north-south axis. That way the bearing lines up with that end of the brush housing. One of the unique features on the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo is that it uses a manifold to deliver solution to the brushes for agitation into the carpet. That manifold will need maintained occasionally. To do that, simply disconnect the water line and the manifold slides right out of the housing. On one end of the manifold, there's a plunger. By simply untwisting the screw, the plunger comes out and you can now flush out and rinse the manifold completely. This makes the manifold very simple and easy to maintain. The final step in cleaning carpet, and one of the most important, is actually recovering the solution and the soil from the carpet. The vacuum shoe on the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo helps you do that better than virtually any vacuum shoe in the industry. There's a couple reasons that it does this. Number one is that instead of having a metal vacuum shoe on carpet, we've got a plastic glide. That plastic glide does two things. First, it moves more smoothly across the carpet. And secondly, because our vacuum shoe is created out of a plastic glide, it allows us to have a much tighter vacuum orifice. This speeds up the airflow, increases recovery, and for you, it means that your carpets dry faster with the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo. But a vacuum shoe that dries fast is no good if you can't maintain it. And that's the second unique feature about the vacuum shoe on the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo. The vacuum shoe easily releases from its mount, And then once you pull it out from under the machine, release the metal tabs on either end, and you'll see that the body and the base separate. This allows you to clean it thoroughly and keep it working perfectly. To use the off-aisle cleaning capabilities on the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, you'll need to follow these steps. First, disconnect the water line from the manifold and plug it into the water line for the off-aisle cleaning wand. Disconnect the vacuum line from both vacuum shoes and plug them into the two vacuum ports. Hook the vacuum line for your wand or tool to the vacuum port, then hook the solution line to either the 1/8 or 1/4 inch solution port. Next, turn the cleaning selection dial to vacuum only. The final step is to open the back panel, and at the bottom left of the control panel, you'll find a button that'll activate the off-aisle cleaning capabilities. Please note that when you're using the off-aisle tool, the machine is locked and it will not move. You'll need to disengage the off-aisle cleaning capabilities to move the machine. To operate the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, you'll start by stepping onto the platform. There's two switches. The switch in the back, the long one, lets the machine know that you're on it. It's the operator presence switch. The yellow switch acts like the gas pedal. It's your accelerator. It'll allow you to determine how fast the machine moves. Once you're on the platform, you'll need to select either forward or reverse. By doing that, it releases the parking brake and allows the machine to operate. Once you've reached the area you're going to clean, you'll then need to select, am I doing encapsulation or extraction? If you're doing encapsulation cleaning, you'll select the eco-efficiency modes. There's two of them. The only difference is the speed of the machine. Same thing with the extraction mode. There's two extraction modes, and the only difference between the two is the speed of the machine. Once you select your mode, allow the deck to lower, the vac shoes to lower if you're doing extraction, and then begin to clean. Finally, you want to make sure that the water is turned on. Make sure that the light above the water on-off switch is lit. When you're making a tight turn, as you move into the turn, be sure to turn the water off. That keeps you from leaving too much water on a turn. As you exit the turn, simply turn the water back on. So there you have it. You now know everything that you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Windsor Karcher Group Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo.